Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the game is up to date and you're signed into the correct account. This step prevents lost items. Once done, access settings or tap the current event banner to find redeem code. Make sure you copy the code exactly, uppercase, hyphens, and no extra spaces, because the platform checks characters. If you have multiple accounts, verify you're on the one that should receive the reward before proceeding to the entry form. Now you'll paste or type the code into the redeem field carefully. Watch similar-looking characters like 0 versus O. After entering it, complete any CAPTCHA or required verification. This prevents automated abuse. Press redeem or confirm and watch for the success message. The system routes items to mail or inventory, so don't panic if they don't appear instantly. Sometimes the server takes a short moment to sync with your account before showing rewards. Finish by confirming items arrived and equipping anything needed, then you're done. If the code fails, first verify it hasn't expired and that it's valid for your region. Many codes are one-time use. Make sure your account is linked correctly. Once done, restart the game or use the official redemption site as an alternate path. If problems persist, contact support with a screenshot, the exact code, your Activision ID and timestamp so they can investigate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.